So there's a lot of positive things that's been happening since I've been reading Exceptional You. I'm enjoying more time with my family. Just living my best life. And this is a public service announcement to everyone that stopped being my friend and try to remind me of the scary past of moving to Rahway. Everyone back in Rahway who stopped being my friend. Looks like the tables have turned. You all alone now. You got only your YouTube channel to look at. Y'all don't even have a YouTube channel, those who stopped being my friend. You can't even see the good reaction videos I do because they're all age requested, age restricted, so you can't even see it, it's blocked. Anyway, I'm in the city of Paterson. I'm about to get a dog today. Anyway, if you can buy Exceptional You, you better go get that book. If you can afford it, because I know you people that stopped being my friend, I know you ain't got a job. And I'm living my life better than y'all are. Anyway. Just saying. I'm way better than y'all. I'm living exceptionally now. The sound of 1999.